Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play as a left wing. First, understand that your main objective is to be an offensive threat. You'll need to stay wide on the field, which helps to pull defenders out of position and create space for your teammates. Your key actions will involve dribbling past opponents and then delivering precise crosses into the penalty area for your strikers. This role demands both speed and technical skill to be effective. Next, let's talk about your movement and dribbling. When attacking, make diagonal runs into the box. This creates better angles for passes and shots. Mastering one-on-one dribbling is crucial, allowing you to bypass defenders and advance the ball. Remember to use sudden changes in speed and direction. This unpredictability makes you incredibly difficult for defenders to mark, opening up more opportunities for your team. Now let's focus on crossing and finishing. Delivering early crosses from wide areas can surprise the defense and create immediate scoring chances. When you cross, aim for key areas like the far post or the penalty spot where your teammates are likely to be. Also, don't forget to develop a strong and accurate shot. As a left wing, you'll often find yourself in positions to take a shot on goal, so make it count. Finally, even as an attacker, you have defensive duties. It's important to track back and help your left back, especially when the opposing team is on the attack. Also, apply pressure on their fullback when they have the ball. This can force turnovers and win possession back high up the field. Remember, a strong defense starts from the front. And speaking of quality, life's too short for cheap socks. Check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.